The next country on my trip was Montenegro, a country I had not known too much about before. But I can already say this much, it had some surprises in store for me. Already on the way to the border, a car stopped next to me. The driver gave me a cold can of Coke and 10 euros in my hand. There were worse first impressions.
Sorry? Can I go on top? Can I pay there or here? Pay? No pay, no pay. Free for bike. Let's go!
Free ferry ride. Not bad, Montenegro, not bad. After leaving the ferry, I was on the coast of Kotor.
Ja, was ist denn hier los? Nicht hier.
I took some time to relax and explore the city at my leisure without the bike. As in other port cities, there are a lot of cats in Kotor. The love for the four-legged animals even goes that far that there's a separate museum just for them. Of course, I had to check it out. After some more rest, I was ready to climb the Serpentines of Kotor to explore the hinterland of Montenegro.
Hallo.
Of course, I also wanted to take my own drone picture, so I got it out, took some pictures, and then it happened. I lost the signal to the drone. After some time I got it again, but I was never able to fly it back. For some reason it was not possible to move it, and I could just slowly see how the battery life was draining while I looked for the drone. I could not see and hear it anymore. I continued cycling up to the top because I thought it would be in one of the corners. Unfortunately, it was not there. At that point I really didn't know what to do anymore, but suddenly the drone made it back to Earth safely. Someone found it, saw my mobile number and wrote me. Well, turns out I could pick it up where I started a few hours ago, at sea level. In order to get there back in adequate time, I organized a rescue mission by car with Dragan. Luckily it was successful and the drone and I were united again. One day in Bosnia-Herzegovina, I came across this little village here. I met Kirill, Sam and Alex. They're planning to run an eco-village with different workshops and other artsy things, so if you want to check it out, I will link it in the description. We spent the evening having a nice conversation, enjoying the view, the pool, and later on we also saw the premiere of the last episode. Thank you very much guys for the food and good luck on your endeavor.
You need something?
The next day I started early to avoid the heat a little bit, but the sun was relentless either way. I continued to cycle through this beautiful area of Montenegro until I almost was at the border of Albania.